Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in my bio. I do have a special treat there for you. Your word of the day is elevation. You're heading to higher levels than you can even imagine and see. I need you to have the faith as high as the solar system, so you do not put any limits on your breakthrough, because showing up every day, showing up and showing out your gift that you have, I need, and the entire world needs, and the Lord, Sky, Spirit, Universe, the Spirit wants to elevate you to that highest level that you deserve to be. I free myself from fear and I trust in the universe. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt. Doubt is a huge killer, but doubt only comes into the picture when you're about to make a breakthrough. Doubt doesn't come into something that's not possible. When something is possible, Spirit wants to test you if you really want it. Break through doubt. Looking at eye guarantees it runs the other way. And make sure you keep showing up and showing out and showing your gifts. And watch how your breakthrough in your life changes. You're going to elevate. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.